In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to replace the Human Touch Super Novo right arm ledge panel. The first thing we're going to do is use a flathead screwdriver to pry up the rubber pad and remove it from the panel. Next, we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the panel to the chair. Okay, once the screws are removed, we'll use a flathead screwdriver to pry up the rear of the panel and lift that rear portion of the panel upward and then pull the panel backward to detach it from a chair. There are some hooks in the front that need to be disengaged. Okay, to install the new panel then, we'll perform these steps in reverse. So we'll start by placing the front of the panel into the hole in the chair side panel so that the hooks can engage, and then lowering the back of the panel down into the chair. Okay, now we're ready to replace the 4 screws to secure the panel. And finally, we need to locate the rubber pad that came with the part and remove the protective backing. Then align it with the corresponding indentation in the panel and lower it carefully into position. And press it down firmly to secure it. And we're done.